To get started, I just added a video clip to my timeline, along with 3 audio clips to nest our audio. Let's begin by right-clicking in the project panel and go to New Item Adjustment Layer. The default settings are fine, so I'll just hit OK. Then drag the adjustment layer above all your clips, and with the selection tool drag its end to extend its duration to match your longest audio clip. Now drag to select all your audio clips that you'd like to nest. Then while holding down the Shift key, select your adjustment layer as well. OK. And now just right-click any of these selected clips and select Nest. Give your nested sequence a name or just hit OK. Alright. Next, we're simply going to select all of our audio clips and delete them off the timeline, and you should delete the nested video off the timeline as well. Then back in the project panel, we can drag the nested sequence on our timeline, and this time it'll come with an audio track as well. We don't need the nested video part, so you can hold down the Alt key to only select the top video part, and then simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. Okay, just like nested video, we can double-click our nested audio to see what's inside the nested clip and edit things here if need be. And of course, once you're done in here, you can click this first tab to go back to your main timeline. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.